Hey everyone, welcome back to SkillsTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own ChatGPT clone using React, Node.js, and Google's Gemini API. And we'll be deploying it with Vercel and GitHub. First, create a folder anywhere on your system. You can name it something like ChatGPT. Now open this folder in VS Code. Now open your terminal in VS Code. Next, visit the official Assistant UI website. Head to the Docs section and copy the install command. Paste the command into your terminal and hit Enter. It will ask you to name your application. Type My App and press Enter again. After a few seconds, Assistant UI will be downloaded into the My App folder. Now change your directory by typing cd myapp. To run your application locally, type npm run dev. Your app will now run on localhost. The first time, it may take a few seconds to load. Once it's running, you'll see the ChatGPT UI, but it won't respond to messages yet. That's because we haven't added the API key. Now head over to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, then click on Get API Key. Click on Create API Key and copy the generated key. We'll be using Gemini, which is Google's free AI model. Now go back to Assistant UI Docs. Copy the Gemini SDK install command and paste it into your terminal. This installs the SDK required to communicate with Google's AI. Next, copy the API endpoint code from the documentation. Now, open VS Code and navigate to this path. /app/api/chat/root.ts. Clear everything inside and paste the new code for Gemini. Next, copy the environment variable setup line from the Gemini docs. Now create a new file in your app called .nvlocal. Inside this file, paste the environment variables. Then paste your actual Gemini API key. Finally, run your app again with npm run dev command. Your ChatGPT clone is now live on localhost, and this time it's fully working. You can type something like "Hi," and your assistant will reply. Now run the command npm run build. This will build your project into an optimized production-ready version, perfect for deployment. Before we deploy, we need to remove two things from our project folder. First is the Node modules folder, and second is the .env local file. These files are either too large or contain sensitive information like your API key, so don't upload them to GitHub. Next, go to Vercel.com and sign up or log in. Now head over to GitHub.com and log in. Click on New Repository. Name it something like World GPT and click Create Repository. Once it's created, go back to your project folder, drag and drop the contents, except the deleted files, into the GitHub upload area. Click Commit Changes once done. Now your project is live on GitHub. Next, go to Vercel, click on Add GitHub Account and authorize it. When prompted, choose Only Select Repositories and select your World GPT repo. Click Import Project, and Vercel will ask you to choose a framework. Select Next.js. Now go to Google AI Studio, copy your Gemini API key, and paste it in Vercel when prompted. Next, copy the environment variable. Paste it into Vercel's environment variable setup. Now click on Deploy button, and Vercel will build and deploy your app. This may take a couple of minutes. Once completed, your ChatGPT clone will be live on the internet. And that's it. You've successfully created and deployed your own AI chatbot using React, Node.js, Google Gemini API, GitHub, and Vercel.